Thinking about doing an MBA in India 2026, but totally confused about which colleges are actually worth it. Didn't crack the top IIMs. Relax, that's not the end of the road. India has some solid Tier 2 MBA colleges that offers great placement, strong corporate exposure, and honestly amazing ROI. In this video, we are breaking down the top 50 Tier 2 MBA colleges in India, shortlisted using NIRF ranking, average placement packages, fees, and overall value for money. No matter if you are preparing for CAT, XAT, CMAT, MAT, or GMAT, this list will help you pick the smart MBA options for 2026. So don't skip the video because one of these colleges could literally change your career game. So let's get into it. So yeah, that's what our complete list of top 50 Tier 2 MBA colleges in India that you can apply to for the 2026 intake. Quick reminder, choosing the right MBA colleges isn't it just about rankings? It's about placements, ROI, your specialization, location, and long-term career goals. Before you apply, always check the official college website. Look at the eligibility criteria, entrance exam, cutoffs, and real placement reports. No guesswork, only smart moves. If this video helped you even a little, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.